incidents of wanton violence and hooliganism which broke out this afternoon in the capital come as a complete surprise. We hold the opposition MDC alliance and its whole leadership responsible for this disturbance of national peace, which was meant to disrupt the electoral process. Equally, we hold the party and its leadership responsible for any loss of life, injury, or damage to property that arise from these acts of political violence which they aided and abated. The alliance and its leadership has forthwith to remove its violent supporters from the streets so peace returns to our country.